BiBi helps the truck. Spring festival time is coming, and as always, all the girls and women will receive flowers this day. Some of those flowers will be brought by our friend Truck. It just came from the south where there are many flower farms. Now he's in a rush to bring the flowers in time for the festival. Look how dirty this guy is. Police officers will never let it come into town. They say the license plate isn't visible. Don't worry, we'll find a car wash, no problem.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Good day. How can I help?
And so the truck told BiBi about the flowers and how he was in a rush, coming all the way down from the south, trying to be on time. He said it got really dirty and that policemen couldn't let him in.
I see.
And that's why it needed to have a good shower.
Oh. Well, let's wash ya. Please. Let's see. First, we need to wash your dirty wheels. Great! The dirtiest part of any car is its bottom. Let's give it a good wash. Cool! Now we can wash your body and the cabin. We're gonna use some foam as well. Awesome! As we've done here, let's have a look-see. Oh! I'll tell you what. Why don't we make you shine? Let's polish you. So, what should we choose?
How about this?
No, that's my teddy bear. What's it doing here?
How about this one?
This can work, but it'll take quite a bit of time. And we don't have much time.
And what's this?
The polishing machine is just what we're looking for. Looks like that's it. Let's check the plate once again. Good, you're ready. Go hit the festival.
The truck was so happy to be clean again. It thanked BiBi and was on its way.
Good luck.
And so the truck went back into town where he met the same police car. The police car didn't even recognize it because it was so clean. And the truck visited every flower shop it intended to visit. All the flowers were alright. On the way back, the truck felt great. It was happy about the weather and happy surrounding atmosphere.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
Electric train. This is electric train. Every day it carries passengers. He's very strong and can lead many carriages. Electric train does a very big job and it must always be on time. Whoa, no, look at the headlights. They went out. Our friend's too scared to go through the tunnel without light. He can't stand there forever. Passengers may be late for work. Let's get help. Quick, call BiBi.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Hey, I gotta go! BiBi's workshop, BiBi speaking. Who's calling?
Over the phone, Electric Train told BiBi that his lights went out and that now he's too scared to enter the tunnel.
I see.
He thinks it's full of ghosts, monsters and scary goblins.
Oh!
Passengers begin to worry.
Oh no! Don't be silly, train. I'm sure there are no ghosts in that tunnel. Hold on, my friend. I'll be there in a minute. Well, I have to hurry.
BiBi doesn't have much time. We can't let A-Train be late. We must hurry.
We'll see. Ah, I see. You need a pair of new headlights. So, what options do we have?
Do you like these?
Looks old-fashioned. Something our grannies would like.
You serious? The one will blow off the candle.
We'll put it inside a pumpkin next Halloween. Woohoo! All right, that should do it. You see, there's nobody there. You shouldn't be afraid of dark. There are no monsters and go there. Besides, these headlights are way too bright.
Our friend must get back to work right away. Passengers must get to work. Uh-oh. Look, the clock went off. Nobody knows the right time.
Don't panic. I'll tell you the right time. Mine is correct.
It's 12 o'clock sharp. Let's help BiBi set the right time. Do you think BiBi can handle this task? Guys, we need your help.
Let's try. Nope. It's Roman 5.
Maybe 3?
Nope. That's wrong time. All right, number 12. It's okay now. You can go back to work. See ya.
Today, BiBi teaches E-Train how not to be afraid of ghosts. E-Train is not afraid of dark anymore and will never be late again.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
The ice cream truck. Look, it's the ice cream truck. But why is he so sad? He goes round and round the block, but nobody notices. No one buys his ice cream. Ice cream truck likes it when children gather round for all the different flavors of ice cream he has to offer. Don't worry, ice cream truck. Let's ask BiBi for help. He'll know what to do. BiBi's having a great day. He helped a few cars already, and helping others always makes him feel good.
Uh-oh. Hey there, ice cream truck. What's the trouble?
And the ice cream truck told BiBi how much he loves making children happy. He told how nobody notices him anymore, and that there was a new shiny ice cream truck that took all the kids. Children can hear him from afar and always go see him first.
Don't worry, pal. We'll help you. Kids will come back to you and your ice cream. So, where should we start, kids? First of all, let's make our truck brighter. How about painting it red? Great! Now let's polish him so that he's bright and shiny. And now let's put a picture.
What about flowers?
No way! An ice cream truck don't sell flowers.
How about a funny clown?
Come on! This isn't a circus.
Then what about this?
Woohoo! Of course! A big picture of ice cream. Now we must make sure that kids can hear you from far away.
Will this help?
Oh, no! This is scary.
How about this?
Not loud enough.
Will this do?
Hooray! Sure, that's what we need. Now let's just add a few things. Aha! Now you look a lot different. I have one last advice for ya. Smile more. Kids love when you smile to them.
Now our friend ice cream truck is popular once again. Wherever he goes, kids recognize him and run towards to get some tasty, refreshing ice cream. Thanks, BiBi!
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.